Okay, this is the price in this cell is quantity in C4 times price in B4. I'm going to pull that all the way down. Okay, so now I have the amounts in each cell. I'm going to hit undo and show you a trick. In Excel, instead of pulling down, if I double click on this handle, it knows when to stop because there's no data after this. So I just double click and it's going to fill out the rest of the information for me. Now, how much have I spent in total? Okay, I'm going to use my auto sum button up here in the editing group. I'm going to click auto sum. It's going to say, did you want to add everything above it? My answer is yes, so I hit enter. And I have spent $42.48. I'm going to call this grand total. Notice that it's the words are too big for the space, so I'm going to double click to extend that column. Now, here's something to think about. What if I had a budget? What if my budget amount was $40? I've overspent, haven't I? And again, look at this, my dollar sign and this dollar sign are different. So I'm going to go up here and choose accounting so they match. Okay. Now, how much have I overspent? Let's do some math. Okay, my budget is 40. I've spent $42.48. Well, I'm short, right? I don't have enough money. So I'm going to say over by how much? Okay, let's do some math. I'm going to press equals. I'm going to click on my budget. How much money do I have? This much. How much am I spending? Minus this much. Now, I know I'm going to be in the negative, right? Because my grand total is bigger than my budget. So I should end up with a negative number. Okay, it shows negative as 248 in parentheses. That's how the accounting will show it. If you've chosen currency, you're going to get a negative sign. Either one is correct. Okay, so I know I have spent over by 248. If I wanted to adjust any of these quantities, do I really need 4 cans of corn? Let's take one away and just make it 3. So when I click 3 here and press enter, this is going to update, this is going to update, and this is going to update because all of these are connected together. So I'm going to hit enter. This becomes 225. This became 4173, and now I'm only over by 173. What else could I get rid of? Maybe I don't need 3 boxes of cereal. Let's say I only need 2. Hit enter. So here's $6. Grand total, $38.73. Budget of 40. I now have 127 left over. So this isn't correct either. Should we change this to say difference maybe? Okay. That is how you're doing today's assignment. You're going to be creating a party budget. You're going to have this given to you in party supplies and the cost. You get to decide how many you're buying of each supply, figure out the total, how much are you over once you have started shopping. Do you need to adjust this at all? If so, go for it. You are also asked to use borders. Okay, if you have a group of cells, you can go up here and apply borders. You could maybe apply a bottom border. Let's choose thick bottom border so you can see it that way. You also are going to be asked to insert an image. When you insert an image, let's do it through Google. Let's say I want to insert a picture of milk. I'm going to search it, choose image, click on the image. It becomes large over here. I right click and choose copy. And then I can go into my spreadsheet and hit paste. And now I have a really large picture of milk. So I need to go to format in my picture tools and maybe say I only want it to be 3 inches high. Oops. And now I've got a sideways picture of milk. Okay, I can turn it by going to rotate to the right. And there you go. There's my picture of milk to go with my groceries.